What are we doing, Layla? Hey, what are we doing?
Moving the ducks.
Yeah? Another little one. Oh, you almost got it right in his mouth, didn't you?
Yeah.
He almost caught it, didn't he? Oops, wait. That's a pretty big piece. See, he can't eat it all. That's too big. You need to get little pieces, right? Little pieces. There you go. There you go. Did he bite him? Did he bite the other duck? Okay, we're getting him too full. Okay, let's go over here. Here, sit right here.
Okay.
Throw it. That doesn't work too good, does it? Here, let's get it. The ground's all full of too gross stuff. You don't want to sit on it. Here you go. Come over here. Huh? Come over here. Okay. Here's a little piece. Yeah, hold on. Oh, did you hear him? What's he doing, honking?
Yeah.
Is that what they call it? Here you go. Oops, pick it up. Good job. Daddy's gonna try and break it all up for you in here, okay? Here's one. What was he doing? Flying? Did it scare you? Here you go.
Come and get me.
He won't get you. Throw him a piece of bread. Throw this one over to that guy right there. There you go. Good job. You're okay. He won't do anything. He's nice, isn't he? Pretty nice. Is that guy coming? Is he coming? He's going away, isn't he? Watch this. Watch this.